friends, today I woke up with a bit of cough and cold, and what better way to treat oneself using herbs from the garden? I remember my mom giving me a decoction with tulsi leaves, ginger, and honey to soothe the cough. For those who don't know what tulsi leaves are, it's also known as holy basil and has innumerable health benefits. It improves your immunity. Amid the pandemic, it's crucial to keep the guard up by keeping our immunity system strong, and tulsi is just the thing you need. It reduces cough, cold, and other respiratory disorders, helps with blood pressure, and also with skin infection. Taking Tulsi tea on a daily basis has a calming effect and helps reduce stress. Ginger is a natural root, so eating or drinking it will also give you added nutrients needed for the body. Since it's loaded with antioxidants, which are compounds that prevent stress and damage to your body's DNA. So let's go ahead and make this medicinal tea. Take a handful of tulsi leaves and a piece of ginger. I cut it into small pieces and then pour boiling hot water to a kettle and let it steep for at least 10 minutes. You can also add a tea bag to it. While that's steeping, let's take a short walk in my garden. I'll also show you some options of tulsi tea that you can get from the supermarket or health store. My tea is ready and it's so yummy too. Friends, if you are suffering from cough and cold or just want to enjoy a herbal tea that can calm you, give this tulsi tea a try. Until next time, see ya!